Right guys, we've got an easy, epic recipe for my loaded potato cakes with bacon and leftover mashed potato. Let's do this. Right, we're going to start with our bacon, so a drizzle of olive oil on our pan. Pan's at a medium temperature. And we're going to get our bacon nice and crispy, straight in. Sizzling bacon, no better sound. Straight in. Right, we're going to let our bacon cook for a good 3 or 4 minutes on each side. I like it nice and crispy. We're going to be turning it occasionally. Right, our bacon's looking perfect, nice and crispy. Let's go ahead and remove it from the pan and onto some kitchen paper, just to drain out that oil. Right, bacon on the board, nice and crispy, just how I like it. Right, we're going to go ahead and give our bacon a nice rough chop. Lots of texture with bacon, and I'm just going to keep a couple of these crispy bacon bits just to one side as a garnish, and the rest is going into my mashed potato. Then we're going to go in with some sweet corn. Bacon and sweet corn in the pan. We don't need to add any salt because our bacon's already quite salty, but we're going to go in with some pepper and just a touch of smoked paprika. And I'm just going to give this a little bit of a combine. Just give that a little bit of a mix. Get it all in there. Right, I'm going to set this aside for 1 moment while we saute the rest of our ingredients. Right, I've got a pan on a medium heat here, drizzle of olive oil, and we're going to go straight in with our onions, which are chopped. And I'm just going to dice my green pepper. Right, pepper's in, and we're going to go in with a touch of pepper, pinch of salt, and a dash of smoked paprika. And just give these a nice mix. Right, I'm sauteing my peppers and my onions because I want them to release some of their moisture, intensify in flavour, and get a smokiness to them, and that's going to really enhance this breakfast dish. Right, our peppers and onions are done. They're going straight into our mixture. Straight into that mash. Wonderful. Just look at the colour. And I'm really happy that I took the effort and sauteed them off, because that is just pure flavour now. Okay, let's get these peppers and onions in there. Join the party. One thing missing though, and that's cheese. So we're going to go in with some cheddar, and we're going to go in with some parmesan. Let's do that now. Right, nice sharp cheddar cheese. Be generous. Followed by a nice generous sprinkle of a nice good parmesan cheese, and there you have it. We are good. Right, let's mix this up, get all those flavors to get to know each other. Almost there now. Right, once you're happy that everything's all kind of mixed in together and evenly distributed within your potatoes, then let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Right, our pan's on a really low heat right now. Touch of olive oil so nothing sticks, and then I've just got this little ramekin here, which I'm just going to coat with some olive oil on the inside so that our potato mixture doesn't stick to it. Ramekin in, and let's go in with our potato. Okay, you can hear it starting to cook straight away. I want this quite densely packed. There's a lot going on there, and I want to pack it all in. So make sure it's all nice and tight. Cheesy, potatoey, bacony. It's looking good for a breakfast. There's only one thing missing though, right? And I know what you're thinking, an egg. So let's do that. Come on. Okay, so we've got a bit of a pocket there. Maybe use a spoon. Right, so tongs are going to hold that down. Maybe use a spoon just to help us out a little bit. Right, I'm going to crack my egg into this bowl first. So my egg's ready to go in. I'm just going to let this potato cook a little bit more before I remove the ramekin. Right, let's go ahead and remove our ramekin. Be careful, it's hot. Wonderful. Right, now I'm not going to flip this. Instead, I'm going to put this under the grill, and it's just going to cook from the outside, and then I'm going to add my egg. Right, potato cake in the grill for about 5 minutes. Right, we've been in the grill for 5 minutes, and you can see that we've got a nice toast on this, so it's going to hold up for that egg. I'm just going to try tucking the sides in just a little bit to give it back some of that shape. Right, before we go in with our egg, I'm just going to deepen this pocket slightly. Okay, moment of truth. And all I'm really concerned about is that yolk. The white I can kind of manipulate and use and bring back around to the potato if I want to. It's just that yolk, I want that to set in the center, because that's what it's all about. We're going to go in with a touch of pepper, smoked paprika. Right, now this is going to sit back into our grill for a further minute, maybe 90 seconds, just so that yolk just set slightly. Right, 90 seconds under the grill and it's looking outstanding. That yolk is still runny but nicely set, and this egg is done. Let's get this out of the pan and on our plate. Wonderful. Right, we're looking outstanding. I can't wait to get stuck in. I'm just going to garnish with a little bit of that bacon that we had left over from earlier. Just going to hit everything with a slight touch of pepper, smoked paprika, some beautiful fresh basil, and a generous hit of fresh parmesan. Right guys, there you have it. That's my epic loaded potato cake with bacon and eggs. What an awesome breakfast. I can't wait to get stuck into this one. I did forget one thing though, and that is hot sauce. So this is mandatory for breakfast for me, just a drizzle of hot sauce. Trust me, you might think I'm crazy, but it's all about the eggs with the bacon and the hot sauce and the potato and the cheese. Right, I can't wait to get stuck in. I'm going to do the taste test, but before I do, guys, listen, I'm releasing 7 videos a week. That's 1 a day. Show me some love in the comments below, subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, hit that like button now. If you want me to try a specific dish, guys, go ahead and put it in the comments below. I'll try my best. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get straight into this. Okay, moment of truth. Let's check that yolk. And I'm just going to split it open. Beautiful. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right, I'm going to get stuck in. Gooey mashed potatoes, gooey cheese, bacon, runny egg. Right, has developed such a nice crust on the underneath. It's packed with flavour. Outstanding. Simple as that. Outstanding. Listen, just make this yourself and you'll find out for yourself. So easy. Takes about 10-15 minutes. Well worth it. Guys, this isn't just delicious. This is Sunny's effing delicious.